tell you to walk into slap now. Just leave my house now.
Just been here waiting for you to ask you how you did. Oh, it's fine. Let me go.
Leave my house. Leave. Go. Wait. Go. What's it now? Somebody has gone to see fine girl. Sunlight. You carry your village thunder to come and destroy my day. How? Chelsea.
Action.
Oh God. Oh, Chelsea. Obi, my Chelsea. How? If you truly love me, say it.
You already know my heart.
I know your heart, but I want you to say it. Listen, I want my sister to hear it. I want my neighbors, my jealous neighbors, yes. Let them hear. I want Chigozie and his father to hear. Say it on top of your voice that you love me. And hear, I love you. No, louder. No, that's not enough.
I love you.
What happened now? What did you do? What happened? What did you do? No, what did you do? Did you just kiss me? For what now? What's all this? Do you know where I've been? Do you know where you brought me out from? What? God! In fact, Lydia now! Is something wrong with you? You should walk into the slab now! What? I said walk into the slab!
Wait, orderly,
You what? Walk into this slab! Walk into this. I said if you make this slab meet you here, now leave my house! Leave my house! Leave my house! What's this now? No, come here! See, if I clear you here, if I clear you here, leave my house! Leave my house! Stupid thing! I said leave me out! Rubbish! What rubbish is this one now? Somebody's trying to upgrade. You want to carry your village witch to come and stop me? What's all this? Okay, because I didn't lock the gate. To stop me. Okay, it's because I didn't lock this gate. Foolish thing. The God I serve is bigger than you. Rubbish. I will pray you down. I must pray you down. Hey! Chineke, I don't see you. God collect power from devil. Hey! Oh my God. See the place I traveled to, this witch just went to return me from there. How do I go back? To this, my imagination? Oh, Chelsea, come back. Chelsea, come back. Chelsea.
Has Jerry had his breakfast?
No, ma.
Why? Have you checked on him?
No, ma.
So what have you been doing since morning? Huh? Go now and fix his breakfast. Take it to his bedroom.
Ma, I'm scared. I can't go to his room again. I cannot go there.
Why? What are you scared of?
What happened?
What are you scared of? What happened? Talk to me now.
We are here
in respect of what you told me yesterday. Is it not right?
It's right. Oh, it's okay.
Repeat what you said yesterday.
No. Like I said yesterday, this is exactly what has been happening in my family.
And we want you to repeat all what you have said here in our presence.
That is still what I'm saying. It's about all drowned or whatever. That's what is happening in my family. That is why I invited you people. Kono be soro ntinye onu n'okwu. Ha se na agwu ofu onye fọrọ na a ga-eke.
Akwanwa. Hey. Akwanwa.
Oh, Dili. Here.
Huh? Eh? My husband, have you seen it? We are here discussing, and she's busy thinking about Odile. This is exactly what I'm saying. This girl wants to kill me.
Mama, what did I do now? Eh? What did I do? Have I done anything wrong?
My people, the way I'm saying things, something must be done. Urgently, something must be done.
Hello? How are you? I'm fine. Are you still around? You're still around? Okay, no problem. I'll come up. I'll come and check up on you to know how you are enjoying our village. Yes. I'll do that, not a problem. Huh? No problem. No problem, I'll get it for you. I know what you like, no problem. No problem, I'll get it for you. I say it's not a problem. I'll get it for you. Yes. No problem, I'll get it right away. Okay. Alright, just expect. Okay. Alright. Yes? Anything?
Nothing.
Anything?
Nothing.
Anything?
But I'm not,
Sister Principality.
You said?
Nothing,
You said?
Nothing, but I was just calling bed.
Obiga joka odele asimo idike nazo ibodele imadi fineme ijikwa anya ga-eme onye kuzilu gị ibodele.
Get it, orderly.
Yeah, the poor guy is calling to check up on me. It seems nice. I mean, yeah.
Good for him. As long as he's Kano's friend, I consider them as birds of the same feather.
I'm hungry. What are we eating for breakfast?
My soup of yesterday is still in the pot. So, I'll pan that for you later.
Abu. Again?
Chelsea.
Is there any way? There's no way they're selling Indomie and, egg or something?
Of course, we have in this village, but you see, I'm just managing here.
No, it's fine now. Take care of it. Just let me get money inside.
Okay, no problem.
And tell your daughter, this is from Bari. Let me get.
All right.
Amuma.
Jerry, I noticed Ego is afraid of coming into your room. Did anything happen?
Godfather,
Is there anything I'm supposed to know?
No, I don't know. If there's anything you're supposed to know, I think she's in a better position to tell you why she's scared of coming into my room.
Jerry?
No. Like I told you, she's in a better position to tell you why she's scared of coming into my room. I don't know what you're talking about, for God's sake. For some time now, I have not been out of my room. So I don't even know what you're talking about.
It's okay. Can I fix you breakfast?
I'm not interested.
Am I part of the conspiracy as well?
This is it.
This your brother seems to have found his missing ribbon.
Missing what? Don't mind that fool that calls himself my brother. God forbid. See, all that girl does is milk him dry. And it's just so stupid, like so blinded to see it.
Are you sure? They seem very much in love. One can
Just
never
look
tell.
at it.
This is true love. You see true
What kind
love
of
now.
stupid love is that?
Love, one thing.
Hey.
How are you? See, I brought this for you.
Wow. Fruits.
Yes, fruits. Yeah, mango especially. Yes, you see, this is our mango here. Whole country.
I'll be inside.
Where are you going to?
Let her go, let her go. I have better gist for you. Better gist for you. See, this mango, it is said that it's the best in the whole country. I'm telling you. Yes.
And it's big. Oh.
Very big. You can spend 1 hour eating this mango. I'm telling you, you won't want it to finish.
It is soft.
The way I like it. Don't smile. Don't smile. You're making me shine. You see your beauty, the way the beauty is shining. No. Jesus. Such a child of God. Don't smile.
Stop. Thank you for this. I love mangoes. Thank you.
Just
Very thoughtful.
Thank you. Very right.
How are you?
Madam, come on. Okay. Brother Jerry, please go. Please go. Madam, please go. Please go.
If for the American from, no problem. Because you saw woman. We are going out. Are you going with us?
Started when? When did me, you and your girls start going out? Please go. I have my own business. Please go.
You have your own business.
I have my own business to attend.
Kanu, let's go now.
Go. I'm doing things by myself now. Begged you to help me. You didn't. Wicked friend.
Honey, let me open the door.
Hey! Okay. You're carrying girl behind now. You're carrying girl behind. If it's me, your guy, you will say no. You're not going the same direction. Now, woman, back seat.
See how cute he looks. The way he smiles at me.
The way he has been smiling at you. I think he likes you.
That's good now. It's good.
Look, Chelsea, he already has a girlfriend in this village. There's no one that doesn't know about that.
What did you say? Girlfriend, right? Not wife. He's still open for business.
Chelsea, make sure you get some money from him. Don't go and fall in love.
You don't trust me. I always get what I want. Don't worry about it.
Hey.
Hey, the way you're smiling, stop it, I like it. You are fine. You are beautiful, I tell you the truth. How are you?
Doctor, how is he doing?
He's okay. He's out of danger now. Okay? Quickly, go get this drugs from the pharmacy. Immediately.
Okay.
Cheer up now. He's okay, okay? Go.
Nah, I'm coming. Oh, be stronger for me. Oh, I'm coming.
Frustration adenyaka nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ịmakwa na ife na-eme nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ịrapụ shuga chọrọ onugbu aga ọ dịlị ịmakwa na ife na-eme nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị ịrapụ shuga chọrọ onugbu aga nyere onwe gị aka ọ dịlị nwoke m nyere onwe gị aka Odili, Obiga Joka, Odili, Asimo, Diginazo, Ibodili, Imadifine, Vijikwanya Game.
Hi.
What?
Do you know that you're very handsome?
Usually, I'm the one who makes people shy, you. But what you're doing to me now,
You're shy?
You're trying to make me shy, you know. Your beauty is too...
Okay, don't do that.
The shine is too much for me.
Don't do that. I'm sure you've met more beautiful girls in this village.
Eh? This village? Sure. No, nobody like you. Nobody. The shine is too much for me. It's too much for me.
By the way, I'm so bored in this village. There's no activities, there's nothing happening, and I'm just dressed and nowhere to go.
Eh? When I'm here, all the skin pain.
What do you mean by skin pain?
That's what they call me now. Yes, you know, my skin used to pain them in this village. Yes, so they got the skin pain, you know. Don't worry now, I'll take you to places now. I'm here. This place, no. We have wonders here. There's somewhere I'll take you to in this village. Where you enter, you'll be going down, under, like as if 12-story building is under.
Okay.
You go there, rain will be falling, no.
When are you taking me to the place?
Now. What are we wasting time for?
You can take me.
How did this skin pain is here for you now? What am I here for? Let's go now.
Okay, let's go. Let me tell Rita that I'm leaving.
But first, let me just ask one question. I just want to ask you, do you like me?
Do I like you?
Do you like me? I just want to know, you know.
Okay.
As we, move on.
If I say no.
Say no, you're looking at me like this.
No, I'm saying no.
This no is equal to a kind of yes.
But first, just hug me. Let me just be sure.
I should hug you.
Yeah, now hug me now. Hug me. At least me and you are same color now. My skin cannot pain you now.
Let me come with.
Hey, man! Hey! Boy, hey! I don't get this big. This girl is... Hey! I can't want... Bye-bye to me, oh. Bye-bye, goodbye. Hey! Hey! Or did this skin pain?
Akwanwa, look at you. Look at you sitting down there. I am sure is that your boyfriend you are thinking about.
Jane, please, don't add to it, please.
Well, it may interest you to know that your lover, your sweetie, your baby is somewhere with another girl enjoying himself.
Jane, Odili may be everything, but a womanizer is not. So please, Jane, when will you stop hating on this guy?
Me?
Odili, he may be anything bad you call him, but a womanizer. No, he's not. Please, please. He's not entirely a bad person. It's just money that he doesn't have now. Yes, that's making me act like this. I'm begging you, please.
Akwanwa, the wife material. Akwanwa, the good lover. You can rush to Kanu's house right now and see things for yourself. And the girl in question, she's beautiful. She's rich. She even has a car. Yes, so you can't even compete. You don't stand a chance with the girl now.
Where did you see them?
I said they're in Kanu's house right now. Go and see things for yourself. Akwanwa, wait for me now.
So, madam, on the lab result here, bone marrow stem cell transplant is needed immediately and access to state-of-the-art laboratory so that we will get the perfect donor for him.
I don't know what that means. Just do all you can to make sure my son is fine. Whatever it is you want to do, go ahead. In fact, do your best. Money is not the problem here. I beg you, doctor. Please help me.
Okay, ma'am. I understand, ma'am. I will do a close examination on him, a follow-up, so that we will tell you what you expect to know at any point in time, okay?
I don't understand that, but how soon will that be?
No, forget about those things. These things are what we call medical jargons, as soon as possible, okay? Again, I assure you, I will tell you every development, bit by bit, every day about him. It's an assurance, okay?
Thank you so much, doctor.
Madam, you're welcome.
Thank you for your time.
Welcome. Take care of him.
I will. Thank you so much.
I'll see you later, madam.
No problem. Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Honey, did you hear what the doctor said? All you need to do is to be strong for us. Be strong for me and be strong for yourself. It's a very long journey. We'll be here together. I love you. I love you so much.
Hey! Akwanwa, what an August visit.
I heard Odili came here.
Is Kanu not his best friend? Yes, he was here. So what else?
I heard he came with a girl. Do you know where they went to?
Akwanwa, please. Go elsewhere and look for your boyfriend. Look, Odili is a grown man. And whatever he does with his life is none of my business.
Rita,
please, don't involve me in this.
Good evening, ma.
It took so long to get here.
I'm sorry, it's because of the traffic on the road.
It's okay. Were you able to bring everything I asked you to?
Yes, I brought everything to the car.
Good. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Your phone has been ringing since now.
Serious?
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, madam. So sorry I couldn't come down. Yes, something came up. Yes, put the files on my desk. I will attend to them later. Alright. Also cancel the meeting for tomorrow. Yes, I'll get back to you. Bye. It's the office.
You look very tired. Don't you think you should go home? Let me continue from where you stopped.
No, thank you. I want to be here when he wakes up.
You're really stressed.
It's normal. That's what I want for you.
Sorry.
No problem, thank you.
You sure you can find a good time? Sure. You're sure? It is you.
See, once you go this way now, you now make a left. Oh, see now, your beauty is confusing me. You make left, you understand? Then you now go left. When you get to the junction, you now see one pole, one red pole. That's one Abacha. You understand? Then from there, you make right, straight down, Kano's compound.
Okay, so you make left.
Hey, you see what is doing me and you now? This is left. This is left, my dear. This is left.
You go stop it.
Once you go
You
left
go
now.
straight, you take left.
Yes.
And then you see
Wanya
Abacha.
Abacha.
I
Then
like
from
the
there.
way you see
I
Abacha.
like the way you swell at the Wanya Abacha too. Oh God.
You're so funny.
I'm happy I'm funny to you. Please, find your way,
Stop it.
Please, be very careful in this our village, oh. Everybody's not like me, oh. Please wind up too. Okay. All right. Take care. All right. Wind up, oh. Okay. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet girl. How? Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. How? How? Sweet girl. Hold on. Hey. Sweet girl.
What is it? Madam Mama, what is it? Come and enter my mouth. Oh yeah, enter. I did not see you before. What do you want?
We're asked to pay 1,000 naira living, PTA living.
Go ahead and pay. Am I holding you? Or you go to your mother, tell her to give you money for you to pay. What is it?
But you're my uncle. See big money. You want give me now?
I should give you now. I'm your uncle. I'm your uncle. I'm not your father. Tell your mother to take you to your father. So that he will give you money to pay for your PTA. I'm not your father. Do you understand? I'm not your PTA. I'm not even P, talk less of TA. You know? So don't disturb me again. This money, I have budget. Yes, I have budget. This money is for something. It's not for PTA people. You know? If you like, come and carry me. Give them as bunch of offering to your school. What is it?
No problem. I'll remind you this thing you just said now later when I'll grow and become a doctor.
You. Hey. The doctor will not take off. Look at somebody that is trying to become you people. Hi. Oh God. You will become a doctor. You will become a doctor. Which hospital in this world will take you? Even if this is my useless friend, Odele, will not even take you in his chemist. Talk more of hospital. Which hospital will accept you? Do you know, can you hold syringe? Can you hold syringe will be taller than you? Nonsense. You want to go? Go and become whatever you want to become. Because I will not even allow you to give me injection. You will kill me. I pity people that you will become their doctor. Not me. Nonsense. Go to your mother. Tell your mother to take you to Okorochangwa Fuonu. Who knows where he is now? Now Kwabaro. Go there. He will have 1,000 naira to give you. Don't disturb me again. Because nonsense. You silly bugger.
Stingy uncle.
What did you say?
I said you are a good man.
You said I'm a good man. You cannot even fine-tune me. If you like, pet me. Give me pet name. I will not give you one. 200, I will not give you. Do you understand that? So go to your mother or go to your father. Rubbish gear. Look at you.
Stingy.
Huh? I heard it. What did you say?
In fact, you are stingy.
I'm stingy.
You are stingy, uncle. You are stingy.
Come back, let me listen. Get working now. You don't know where your father is. Come back here again. Fat, stay there. Let me cut my money in peace.
To be a man, to be a man.
Very, very wicked. Odile, you are evil. Odile, after everything I have done for you, this is how you've chosen to repay me. Odile, you are evil. You are wicked.
When me and you are in the bedroom, do you tell me I'm wicked? Do you tell me I'm wicked? Listen, did you see the classy thing that just left here now? No, did you see the classy thing that left here now? Huh? No, tell me, can you be quarter, or half as classy as that sweet thing that left here now?
Because I love you.
You love who? You love who? You love who? See, you have to get a life. Get a life real fast. I know what has been keeping you around me. I know what has been keeping you around me. It's this thing now. This is what has been keeping you. But see, right now, my mind is working. So this and this, we have no business with you now.
Odile, you are playing with my heart. Odile, because I love you.
See, what I'm trying to tell you is this now. There is no space here for you. You see here, there's no space here for you. You understand me? I have moved on. Moved on. You are size. We are not the same size anymore. Can't you understand? Are you a bush girl now, a village girl now? I know this is the problem you have. This is what is keeping you. But you see this thing and me, we are done with you.
It's okay.
What's wrong with you?
What happened?
We are done. Tell her we are done. We are done. What is wrong with you? Listen, tell you something here. Okay? Tell you something you don't know. I don't deal with people that move with 2 legs. You feel me? I deal with people that move with 2 legs and enter what has 4 legs. I deal with people that have cars. Are you there? So please, bounce and get a life, okay?
What do you mean with this? Odile, you are very, very evil. You are.
You say? Did you just touch me? Don't touch me again, no. Don't touch me again.
Odile, you are evil. I say it again, you are evil. You are wicked.
Did you just touch me? Huh? Did you just touch me? Are you mad?
Odile, don't hit me again.
Are you mad? Are you sick? Don't touch me. 6 is my favorite number now. You don't have a car. Don't touch me.
Odile, this is very unfair. Don't do like this now.
Just look at what you brought upon yourself. You are selling yourself for 200. You are not ashamed. Now Odile is using you to play football. You sell yourself half, cover to him. You are not ashamed of yourself. If you like that, Maggie.
Mama, save yourself the stress. I just pray Akwanwa doesn't learn her lesson in the grave. Who in this village doesn't know that Odile is a madman?
Don't beat me again, no.
Are you out of your mind?
So it's because of you now Mama slapped me?
It's because of love.
Look at this side now. You want her to destroy this part of my face? You don't know that Odile is old enough to be your elder brother. God forbid that useless boy will be my elder brother, Chukwaju.
That useless man.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Because of the person that gave you this kind of bad blow on your face, you are beating your sister. Look at the bad blow. You feel like that, Megan. Don't worry. Tomorrow, first thing tomorrow morning, I will go and invite Rati and Skido.
Yes.
No, since no nya will become. Since what's his name or what did you call him? Since he's an Akwobi man, he's full of power. He will face his fellow men.
Mama, there's no need to do that.
That's every need though.
There's no need. Mama, you know those boys are bad. They are bad boys. There's no need. Don't let them beat Odili.
Who do you think that can stop me? AJC go call CJ. I must call them in this case.
There's no need. I will stop seeing Odili. In that case, I will stop seeing him.
Oh.
Are you sure?
You will stop seeing Odili?
Mom, see.
You will stop seeing him?
I will stop seeing him.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. What's this now? What? Cheta! Cheta! Cheta Chuku! Come here, come. What's all this now? What's this now? What's this now? Why is this compound like this? Why is this compound like this? Why is it here like this now? Please get broom and sweep everywhere, please, 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 please. Please, get broom.
But this compound is clean now. I swept it this morning.
And where did I see this from? No, where did this leaf fall from? Please, get broom, sweep everywhere, Listen, I have a guest coming here. You understand me? Sweep everywhere, please, please. Right now, I have a guest coming. Please, I don't want to see my guest to see here very dirty. Please, please. Clean everywhere. Very important. Come back here, my friend. Then when you're done with sweeping, you go into the house. Anything that concerns plastic plates, do away with. Are you there? Do away with it. Do not try to bring out anything called plastic plate. You understand me? Now you see those plates that Mama was saving. Those breakable plates she was saving before she died. I'm tired of respecting those plates. Bring those breakable plates out. Wash the plates.
Hey!
Wash in such a way that after washing the plates, I look into the plates, I can see my last tooth. Okay? Okay? Then again, when you're done with the plates, I want you to do this. You understand me? You go and take your bath. You understand me? Take your bath out.
But what do you mean now? Which one is take your bath?
Walk into this lab.
Oh.
Walk into this lab. Stay there. Now, you take your bath. Are you there? You will take your bath. Now, you clean all here.
Brother, leave me alone.
Walk into this lab again. Go walk into this lab.
I'll walk into this lab. I'll walk into it.
Now, after you wash all these places, you make sure that you use that perfume I gave you. I don't want my guests to smell anything that concerns Akanwo. You understand me? This is a VIP guest. You understand me? Do as I've told you now. Just do as I've told you. Clean everywhere, everywhere clean, clear, fine. This is a VIP guest.
Brother, you will keep me in this house, so somebody that I've swept, I should sweep it again. Is it my visitor? Is it my visitor that you
said?
Nothing.
You said?
Brother,
you said? You said? Foolish thing. No, don't clean here. Let my guests suffer what I've been suffering in this house. Let my VIP smell anything that concerns Akanwo. I've been suffering in this house. Everywhere. It should be neat. Everything should be neat, fine.
Brother, don't give yourself BPO. I don't know if you're waiting for Jesus Christ. What if she's not coming?
See, if you don't know what to say with that your stupid mouth, you better shut it before I shut it for you. Are you stupid? Do you know who we're talking about here? You think it's a local girl like you and Akanwo? This girl's name is Chelsea. Chelsea is not only beautiful, she has brains, she has class, and she says the truth, unlike you and Akanwo. You understand me? So I'll wait here for my beauty, brains, class, and truthful girl. Are you with me? Nonsense.
No problem. If you want to wait, keep waiting. But me, I want to go and remove this clothes. But I'm not used to this. I cannot even breathe well. I'm suffocating.
It's better you suffocate, die, and live inside this dress until after she comes and goes. Please go there. Open the gate. Open the gate for my Chelsea.
I cannot breathe well. Just tie my neck.
If you try and remove that scarf, at you. We are talking about girls that their lives move at snail speed. Come open the gate well now. That right side. Yeah, that side. Wide. Come back here.
Cannot breathe. Cannot breathe well.
In fact, stay like this.
I want to sit.
Are you mad? You want to sit?
I will stand. Nothing.
Stay here. Stay like this. Upright. Upright.
Oh, but I cannot breathe. That's what I'm saying. I cannot breathe.
Walk into this lab. Walk into this lab, also.
She will come and say that you're maltreating me. Oh.
I say walk into this lab. Now, bring your hand out. Out.
Yes.
Chest out like this. Fine.
Stay there. Waiting for Jesus Christ.
You say?
Nothing, brother.
You say?
I'm waiting.
Very good.
Like I said, Chelsea, that guy Odili already has a girlfriend in this village. So you shouldn't take this relationship too serious with him. Please.
Girlfriend, right? Did you say wife?
Hey.
No, now. Girlfriend, right? That means he's still open for business. No, Rita, look. Do you trust me?
Chelsea.
Do you trust me?
Chelsea.
No, just trust me now. He's not married yet. Is he?
Look, just get whatever you have to get from him. Because it's just like his friend Kanu. No future ambition.
I've heard you. Can I go? Can I go?
I'll be here waiting.
Let me get my keys.
Be careful, oh. Don't say I did not tell you. Okay now.
Good morning, Mr. Jerry. How are you doing?
Doctor, I think better than yesterday. So, doctor, what's the situation now?
Not to worry, we've taken your stem cell sample. The enable us get a perfect donor for you.
Alright. Doctor, I think it's just for me to continue with my routine drugs. I want to go.
Mr. Jerry, you'll be fine and leave your Sunday, okay? I hope and pray that we get a suitable donor for you. Is that alright? Nurse.
No.
Give him the injection.
Okay, sir.
I told you. Speak well, speak English. No Igbo. Hello. Oh my God. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's okay, it's alright. Don't bother now, don't bother. I'm so happy you came. Oh my God.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
This must be your younger sister.
Yes, yes, she is. Yes.
She is beautiful.
Yeah, is she?
Thank you.
How are you, my dear?
I'm okay.
Go and get cooler. Go and get cooler. Please, you're welcome. Please come in. Take your time, please. Take your time, Take your time, please. Take your time. Take your time. I'm really sorry, you understand, these carpenters.
No,
you understand, village carpenters.
Fine.
Take your time.
It's fine.
Are you okay?
It's fine.
Are you alright?
It's fine.
Okay. Wow. Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you. I really appreciate your coming. I'm the happiest man.
No, I wouldn't have missed it, but I'm sorry for the delay though. I had online arrangements, engagement here and there. And then I had Zoom meetings about my clothing line earlier this morning. So it's been hectic.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So, Skito, for our visitor. For our visitor. Can I give it to her? For our visitor. You made for me. Yes. For you.
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay, who is that now? What rubbish is this?
Just down.
Wake up, stupid biscuit. Don't you have tray? What?
Sorry, my girl. I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, she grew up in the village. She got overwhelmed with your class and beauty. I'm really sorry. She has never left this village before, so seeing anything sophisticated like you, makes her misbehave. I'm really sorry. She's bringing a tray with
fine.
everything.
It's okay. The tray?
Yes.
With the same refreshment?
Yes, biscuit and malt. Yes. Don't worry. You just manage this village biscuit and malt.
You're too kind.
Thank you. You're too sweet. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
Thank you. You said it a million times.
I can say it again, 1,000,001. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow, you're beautiful.
I appreciate it.
So beautiful.
I am going out to find laborers to uproot cassava for garden. Okay. I have brought out things for lunch.
Okay, ma.
Please prepare it immediately so that I can take some food for the ones that are already within in the farm.
Okay, ma.
And Anokwa?
Yes, ma. Are you coming back anytime soon?
Why do you ask?
So I will know when to start cooking now.
Start now.
Oh, okay.
Now.
Okay, ma.
Yeah, hello, Chelsea. No. See, I'm not happy. I'm no longer happy. What's the meaning of this? You told me you were only going for 2 days. No, I'm not happy. I'm no longer happy with this at all. Please, I need my car back. Latest tomorrow afternoon, I need my car. Bring it back, please. Can you imagine? When you don't want to give them, it will be as if you're wicked.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all. It's one of my business associates from the foreign trading that I do. So they want to make some investment, and they're calling me to set up, but I'm not available. I'm here, so it can't work, and
Oh, so she's the one. So you are the one. She's a new girl you've been following up and down in this village. Welcome, man.
Sorry.
Who is she?
Please.
Who is she?
Don't mind that. She.
Oh, he did not tell you. He did not tell you he has a girlfriend.
What is all this now?
Look, go and ask everybody in this village.
What's all this
There is
now?
nobody that does not know until he's my boyfriend.
What's all this now?
My soon-to-be husband.
What's
No, nobody knows. Everybody knows that.
What's all this? Because
so you came to snatch my husband away from me now?
You'll be talking
You came to snatch my husband from me now?
So don't mind that. Don't mind that.
Look at this.
Don't mind that.
You have a car.
Don't mind that.
You have a car. There is nobody in this village that does not know until he's my boyfriend. Nobody. Stay my husband.
You want it to slap
Okay, you stop me.
You want it to slap
Wait, stop me.
See, she is virgin to come, my dear. Don't mind that. She is virgin. That's the only.
What are you talking about? Wait, stop me, slap.
Oh my God. My dear, she's dead. She will not walk into slap. She will walk into blow. She's dead. She will walk into the ground. She's dead, my dear. I have a pastor. Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Wait. What is oh my God. I didn't. This girl just locked me out. I know it's because of that useless boy. She locked me out because of that good-for-nothing foolish idiot roaming around this village. What is all this? Huh?
What is it? So you, come back here. Come back here.
What have I done?
What happened to you?
What have I done?
What happened to you?
What did I do?
See, let me tell you, I'll kill you.
What did I do?
I'm telling you, I'll kill you.
What did I do?
I'll kill you.
What did I do?
What did you do?
What did I do?
See, stay away from me. Stay away. Tell your daughter to stay away from me.
I will not.
Stay away from me. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Bia, village Kuragura. What are you doing in my compound?
What am I doing in your compound?
Yes, I'm asking
you. Tell this your daughter to stay away from me.
What did I do?
Tell her I don't love her. I don't have love for her. Your love is suffocating me. Your love is suffocating me. I'm telling you now, your love is suffocating me. There are other young men in this village that you can suffocate with your love, that can accommodate it. This your love. It choked me, because it choked me. I'm tired. Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh. Leave me. Leave me.
I'm not leaving you.
Come on, shut up the gutter.
Yes.
Idiot. Foolish girl.
Foolish thing. Yeah, your mother said you're a foolish thing.
I'm not foolish.
You're foolish.
I'm not foolish.
You're foolish. See, let me tell you something now, You better learn to live without me.
I cannot live without you.
You better learn to live without me.
Oh, Dile, I cannot live without you.
Then you will die without me. If you can't live without me, you will die without me.
I will not die.
Yes, you will die without me.
Dile, and if I see that girl close to you, she will die.
I will beat you.
You cannot beat me. My mother is here. You can't beat me. You cannot beat me, Dile. Dile, you cannot beat me.
If they burn you well, come and touch that.
If they burn her well, let her come close to you.
I am going back.
If they burn that girl,
no.
well, let her come close to you.
I am going back.
She will
now.
die.
I am going back to that girl now. Come and touch her.
Let her come now.
Come and touch her.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Dile, I'm coming.
No, come
Dile, you cannot do anything.
Touch that girl.
Let that girl come close to you. She will die. Dile, she will die.
Okay. Alright. Just come and touch her.
She will die. I will touch her, Dile. That water I poured her is small. I'm coming again.
Life without shame is a miserable life. Life without a single shame is a miserable life. God, oh, you are there watching. You gave me time to do my work. I've done my work and nothing worked out. I've shouted, Cha-cha. I have advised her, Otawuneji. I have even panel beat her. Cha-cha-cha. Now I hand over to you. Automatically, Akwanwa is living a miserable life. In your own time, reset Akwanwa's brain. That is all I ask. Amen.
Where are you going to? I was going to see you.
As what? Eh? What kind of question is that one? You know, I look like a child to you, Abby. What kind of question is that one now?
It's not a bad thing. In the morning I saw you. You go joke and say no. Eh? My baby is not happy. I was worried.
Hey.
I said, no. I cannot concentrate. Even when I was driving my keke, I told my passengers, all of them, come down. Because I said, no. My girlfriend is not happy. Eh? I said, I have to come to see you.
Kano.
Because I was worried.
Kano, is this how you intend to take care of me?
How?
As in, this is how you want to take care of me in this village? You want to make money this way and take care of me? Eh? It's not been up to 1 hour I left my house, but you're back. Because you say my face is not bright. My face is not... You're back already. Why?
Eh? If your happiness is my paramount concern. So it's for me to make you happy first. I have to be sure that you're happy before I can go to work. You cannot be sad and I'll be working. Who am I working for? Eh? See, that's why I'm here. To be sure that you're okay. Please. Eh? It's not a bad thing. Oh. It's not a bad thing. If you smile, I smile. If you're sad, I sad.
Can you talk fast? I'm going out now.
Sorry, I bought you your favorite. Your favorite. Look at it. Out here. You see, I win.
Honey, you're so sweet.
That is it. Sweetness is my name.
You're so sweet.
You see, can't you see the way you smile now? That is what I want. If I don't take care of my girlfriend, who will? You do want another one to snatch? No, never. I will not let it happen. I will not let it. See, let me tell you. That's why I have to take care of you. Nihige now. Enter this keke. Anywhere you want to go, I have cancelled work today. Who am I working for? I have cancelled work today. Enter the keke, let me take you where you're going. You cannot have a guy like me that owns a keke like this and you'll be trekking. Never. It's not possible. Never.
Oh, Kanu, you're just the best. You're just the best. I love you.
Can say that again.
Eh? Thank you for loving me. Eh?
All right.
Hey. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just keep it inside.
All right. Go and keep it.
Wait for me, yeah, baby.
To be a man, to be a man, I did not want no felle. Cha. Anna Mambo, I did come.
Please, drive me. Follow that red car. Follow that red car. Can you drive?
Odile is going to the city. He's going with a girl.
With a girl?
Yes.
You want to follow them?
I want to follow them now. I want to meet up with them. See the red car.
How do you know the city they are going to?
I know they're not Onitsha.
Onitsha.
Yeah.